ho, hey ho, hey ho. Are you fucking kidding me, guys? My neighbor, oh my god! Guys, I've been freaking waiting to film a video, and this is about Diana Ankudinova. But my neighbors at the back of our house is using a freaking chainsaw and cutting their damn tree. Hear that? So fucking annoying. When are they gonna stop? Like, honestly, I'm so mad. I've been waiting for like 2 hours now for them to stop so I can film, but then, oh my god. Hey oh, hey oh, please stop. Stop that chainsaw. Oh my god, guys. I'm just gonna go on Snapchat and talk to my bebe. Hello everyone, my name is Sandstorm and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting again to Diana Ankudinova. Yes, and my neighbor finally stopped chainsawing a freaking tree. They're so freaking noisy. Finally they're done. Finally I can film this video. So yeah, like what I said, today I'm gonna be reacting again to Diana Ankudinova. I think this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I think this is the 5th time or 6th time I'm reacting to her. I cannot wait for this one because this is like a recent video. I mean, not really, but like it's like 4 months ago. So I mean, it's kind of fresh, kind of new. And this is her performance of Blizzard. That is so cool, Blizzard. But yeah, I cannot wait. So without further ado, let's now react to Diana Ankudinova performing Blizzard. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's now react to Diana Ankudinova, her performance of Blizzard. Where's my headphones? Here we go. I'm sorry. I cannot wait. Like what I said, this is gonna be. It's going to be shocking, interesting, or this is going to be a cool performance. So, okay, here we go, guys. Let me just fix my hair. I'm wearing headphones so we can listen to her properly and clearly. Okay, guys, I'm now gonna play the video in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, he's a daddy. Who's that judge? Okay, this is gonna be fun. It sounds intense, guys. It sounds intense. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. You're pressed already. This is intense. Okay. Oh, I love her dress. Yes. Oh. I love that. Oh, she's so serious. Just like, whatever, she's good. She is so pretty. Oh. Oh my god. I love her outfit. Yeah. Oh, this is so sad and intense. I don't understand, so I don't know. I love that. I love her outfit. Yes! Oh my god. I love her robe. I love her hair too. I love the hair flips, the full bangs. Oh my god. I feel like I didn't react that much because I was so focused. I'm so sorry, but now we're gonna talk about the performance, guys. But that was so fun. I love the outfit, the hair, and I love her. Okay guys, so that's it for the Diana Ankudinova, her performance of Blizzard. Okay, I know that I didn't react that much because I was so focused, because I was so intrigued, like what's happening. I mean, I don't understand. All I know is that that song sounded so intense, and the dog just started barking again. My neighbor's dog, I swear to God. And it stopped, and it's going again. Oh my god, my neighbor's dog. You know what? Let me just end this video, guys, okay? All I can say is that her Blizzard performance is good. What is it called? It's a man's, yeah, just like how her performance did in It's a Man's World. Her voice here too is so strong. I don't understand the song. I don't know if the song is sad, if the song is it's serious. I don't know, but from my understanding, from what I've heard, I think it's a sincere and intense song, and Diana did a good performance with it. And second of all, I love her outfit. I love that robe. That robe is shining, shimmering. Oh, I love the robe. It's a dark green one. I love her dress. I love her outfit. And last but not the least, the most important asset of Diana, her hair and her full bangs. Oh my god. Like I said on my previous videos, my previous reactions to Diana, Diana is not Diana without her full bangs and her ponytail. So yeah, I mean, no, not her ponytail, just her bangs. But yeah, guys, that's it. The dog is so loud. I'm so sorry if you're annoyed by it, or if you're annoyed by me, I'm so sorry. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you love Diana Ankudinova, if you love this performance of her Blizzard, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so you will see more of my future videos in the future, and probably more of Diana Ankudinova's performances, songs, and covers. If she has one, I would love to react to it because I've reacted to her so many times now. It's been a journey with Diana Ankudinova, and I am so grateful that I get to know about her, and I just love her now. I'm a fan of Diana Ankudinova. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thunderstorms signing off. Hey, Blizzard, Blizzard, Blizzard. Freeze. Blizzard, bye.